Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Eddy Show. I'm your host Eddie Ray, and this is our featured app of the week, where I handpick a smartphone app that I find fun or useful. In fact, I think this is both. You may see me actually post some of these on the Tech Eddy Facebook page and my personal profile page. These animated kind of GIFs and memes, as you call them, GIFs, GIFs. But anyways, it's called Doublicat. It's a face swapping app. It actually takes your face, puts it on memes that are animated. Take a picture of your face pretty much, and you can choose from any category you like. There's wrestling, Netflix packs are on here, Marvel heroes. Click on one that you like, click reface, and it puts your face on that animated GIF's face, which is pretty cool. Takes a few seconds, of course, and there we go. I am now Robert Downey Jr. apparently. You can save or share to your phone, social channels. You can download also as a GIF or a video if you want. And that's done. Pretty cool, right? I'll show you a couple more really quickly. We're doing a full tutorial on this app very, very soon on the channel, so make sure you guys subscribe. Other cool features, you can actually upload your own animated GIFs if you want to, as long as they have prominent faces on them. Let's see here. We could be John Travolta. Try that. I'm going to reface. And now I'm confused John Travolta. We're going to save this as a video. And I'll show you a couple here that I have. Here's a few that I made before. That one looks pretty good, I think. Funny reaction. Nicolas Cage as Eddie Ray. That's actually scary. He is cross-eyed there. Let's see. Can also cook very well. You just, yeah, that's all you do is that. And there's this one here, of course, too. I got it. Hope you guys got it as well. That's Doublicat, the app of the week. Thanks for watching. I'm Eddie Ray. Make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you back here next time.